Hey guys, welcome back to the Human Condition. This video is another video in our biology series. And this video is a pretty cool one I thought I wanted to do for you guys. And this one is, what is oxytocin and how does it impact our connections? Just our connections with ourselves and with other people. So yeah, you guys seem to really like the last dopamine video, so thank you guys for checking that out. In this video, we'll be talking about the love hormone oxytocin and how it impacts our connections and friendships with ourselves and other people. So yeah, oxytocin is known as a social bonding and love hormone. So basically, when I was researching it, it said that oxytocin is always released through high fives, hugs, any type of physical contact releases oxytocin, and a positive interaction with someone releases oxytocin. And one cool thing that I was researching it, if I'm not mistaken, that I didn't realize is obviously a lot of things impact closeness and friendships, but one significant thing that impacts closeness and friendships is theoretically, if someone releases more oxytocin than someone else, if someone releases more oxytocin, there might be more closeness to that person than someone who doesn't release quite as much oxytocin. Potentially, not always. For example, the people that are closest to you potentially release the most oxytocin than the people that aren't, which makes sense, I guess, because if someone gives you a lot of oxytocin, it increases a lot of trust with that person, and you've had obviously a lot of positive social interactions with that person. So there's a correlation between the person you're closest with and the person that releases the most oxytocin. So typically, that's who you might feel, the person that gives you the most oxytocin is the person you might feel the closest with sometimes. Obviously, there's other things that impact friendships. I thought that was pretty cool. So that's how close connections will work with oxytocin. It also impacts empathy. So if you have like a normal level oxytocin or higher, you might, or just a regular level, you might be very empathetic, caring, like a nice homie, a nice G, always helping people out. If you have too much oxytocin, you might have a hard time handling emotions potentially from yourself, and other people, like overly to the point of hard time handling emotions. And one struggle with, I guess, low oxytocin would be having a harder time with empathy and understanding. It said even understanding some cues and having more negative interactions typically. So I thought that was pretty interesting. If you have lower levels, it's just hard to read cues potentially, and have sometimes not the best interactions. But it's all good because it can increase anytime. In conclusion, oxytocin, typically the people that release the most oxytocin from us are the people we get closest to, not always. With ourselves, oxytocin is important because if you have too much, might make us overly emotion-based, and let our emotions drive us, and too little can make us have a harder time being empathetic and having less positive interactions. So yeah, I hope you guys, I know this is kind of a quick one, kind of a chill video. Oxytocin is very helpful in making friendships, whether that be friendships, romantic relationships, and just getting along in general. It's a pretty awesome brain chemical that really helps us out making connections with people, not just with people, but with ourselves. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe if you want. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.